Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to separate hatches in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, create your hatches using the hatch command, and notice they may be grouped together even if they are separate. Over here, this happens when multiple hatches are created in one operation. Then, click on the hatch you just created to select it. After that, this activates the hatch creation panel on the top interface. Over here, look for the Options section inside the Hatch Creation panel. Then, this opens additional hatch-related settings. After that, click the Options drop-down menu to view more settings. Then, this shows extra controls for modifying hatch behavior. Over here, find and select the Separate Hatches option from the list. After that, this changes grouped hatches into individual entities. Then, apply the settings so each hatch becomes independent. Over here, now you can move, modify, or delete each hatch individually as needed for your design. Then, this gives you full control without affecting other hatches. Over here, use this method whenever you need precise control in complex drawings. After that, it helps improve accuracy and workflow efficiency. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.